the project is created, there are some dependencies that has to be installed in the project. So that can be installed using click on the project name, right click. There is something called manage NuGet packages. Sorry, sir. You can go to browse, satisfied and select low. So the three major packages that are needed is entity framework, SQL server for connecting with the database and other steps. So we install this. And the next one will be Microsoft Entity Framework Core. Let's wait for the template. Both are installed. The third one will be Microsoft Entity Framework Core Tools. So once the installation is complete, you can check whether the packages has been added. So the installed packages can be seen in the release ready project file. So the project file contains the packages that has been installed. Thank you.